Hi, lovely people. How are you? We are back, and you are welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie.
And I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and leaving your comments. We see them and we appreciate you.
Yes,
So
thank
today
you.
we are going to make one of the most famous Ugandan snacks. Angie, do you have an idea?
Chin chin.
So we are going to make daddies. I know each one of you
Yes.
has tried, not even tried, has taken daddies as a snack to school.
Yes.
And I'm going to give you my mother's recipe.
Mm.
Very simple, very nice, and this can last 3 good months.
What?
Yeah, crunchy and wonderful. So we have very simple ingredients.
What do we have here?
We have milk,
Good.
we have flour,
Right there.
butter,
In the middle.
sugar,
Yeah.
and some lemon, because we'll need some lemon zest.
Yes.
So what we are going to do first is have our milk in, and we will be melting the butter and the sugar in the same mixture. So milk, Chef Angie, thank you. You can please pass me the sugar, and then the butter. You can help me put the butter. So all this is done at medium-low heat. We just want to melt all the ingredients, and then we'll use the mixture to knead our dough.
Hey, that's new to me. I like the method. Like a twist to the process.
So one thing I like about this recipe, it's very easy and it takes a very short time.
Oh, really?
Chef Angie, can you help me with the flour?
Okay. Yeah.
So we go in with our flour. The milk just has to be lukewarm. Make sure it doesn't burn your fingers. If you want, you can add some vanilla essence, but these daddies are just better with lemon zest. So after this, our dough is ready, and even the dough takes about 5 minutes to 10.
Oh.
And it's ready. So we are going to portion it and then roll it and then cut into daddies. So as you roll, you get your oil ready for deep frying.
Should it smoke or it's on medium heat?
So it has to be on at medium heat, because when it smokes, it means that daddies will not get ready. They'll just brown on top, but inside they will not be ready.
Is that width okay?
The width is fine. So we are going to just go in and cut with a knife. You can make any shape that you want. So my mother,
Yes.
towards school time, would sit us down and show us. More like she makes the recipe, makes the daddies as you watch. She only teaches you once when you've reached that stage of going to boarding school. And after that, she expects you to pull it off. So she's just a visual teacher.
Wow. How many kgs of flour would you use?
I would use 1.5 kgs.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. But remember, I'm going to school for 3 months.
Yeah.
So, and then I have friends.
Yes.
Those guys who want to tap on your grab. Yeah. So I think it was just okay. Have our perforated spoon ready, and it's time to fry. Chef Angie is going to just slide the daddies in. But I don't know, we could call them mummies since we are ladies that are making them right now.
Yeah.
I mean, the mummies make the most delicious
So do we
things.
put all of them at once or we do 2 batches?
Oh, we do 2 batches, because also if you overfill your pan, it is going to disturb you. So there's a secret to the frying.
Please tell me.
Have your heat at the right temperature.
Okay.
If it's not at the right temperature, either they are going to soak in oil,
Okay.
or they are going to brown without getting ready inside. Ooh, the daddies are ready.
Nice.
And it's time to taste.
Yeah, I can't wait. I cannot wait.
Cheers. Cheers.
I like the balance of the sweetness. They are crunchy and not hard for a bite. Nice.
One thing I like about this recipe is the crunchiness of the daddies. And as we say, boy, we would want to tell you about 7-Star Culinary Institute.
Yes.
Here in Intinda, near Isabella, along Dr. Asir Road. We have diploma courses, certificate courses, and then the bachelor's program, which is 6 months. So if you're vacated, just come. The main intake is right in. Come, join us, and be able to make all these wonderful meals. From that, see you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.